Well guys, today I'm on the MSC Seascape and I'm going to take you on a walking video tour of the swimming pools. On deck 18 is the main marina pool and I'm up one level so we can film down at it. So let's take a walk and we'll check out all the pools on the MSC Seascape. Like we got a hot tub over here on one side. This, like I say, I'm up one level on that 19, but that's on deck 18 at the aft of the ship. We'll kind of get a little walk through, then we'll go check out another pool. This is a port day, so there's not just a lot of people out here, but there's the big screen up there. We got another hot tub over here on the left side. Well, I guess that would actually be the right side of the ship because we got, that's the back. All right, the next swimming pool is the children's pool. This is the Pirates Cove. Kind of look down at it. I'll kind of do a walk around so you can kind of see. We've got a kid slide. Looks like a big old octopus up there. There's some of the water slides right there. I think you go up on deck 20 to get on them, and there's the exit for one. Right down there is the exit for the other one. Turn around, looks like the stairs you go up to the water slide. That big octopus. Got a place the kids can, looks like they can go across the, I don't know what you call it, the net. At least they got them enclosed. No one can fall, get hurt. Looks like a great place for the kids to play. There's like a swinging bridge you walk across. I'll go ahead and walk across it. I guess it ain't swinging, it just looks like it ought to be. Well, I'm fixing to walk out on the bridge of size and I'm going to get you a shot of the infinity pool from up here on deck 16 looking down to deck 8. You can see it through the floor, but I'm going to get over the deck and let you look down at it. Show you from the other side. We're going to go down there in just a minute. I'll show you what it looks like through the floor. Let me get over here to the side and I can probably see it better. We're docked at Costa Maya today, if you see that up there. All right, there's the infinity pool. Looking from deck 16 down. All right, let's go down there closer and check it out. There's actually a glass elevator back here that goes down to it. I'm standing waiting to get on it. I'll give you a little shot what it looks like going down when we get on it.
Doors open.
Well, we're down at the infinity pool. It's got two sides to it. I'm gonna go walk out on that middle section right there and give you a look back.
Yeah, go check on her.
Next pool we're going to go look at is the jungle pool. It's on deck 16. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I'm going to go up one level, look back down so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Alright, I went up one level. I'm actually on deck 18 because there's no deck 17 on this ship. I think deck 17 on an Italian ship is unlucky, so I'm going to walk around the edge and we'll get some better shots. There's a hot tub on this side. If you look across, there's a hot tub over there. So let me walk down to the other end. We'll get a shot looking back. Up here on this deck, they got a pool table and a shuffleboard. I guess that's shuffleboard. Very tropical in here, I'll give it that. Looks like it's got a roof on it too, so if it's raining you can stay dry. Looks like part of it's under roof and part of it's not. Walk on around. Yeah, I'm clear at the other end. Like I say, hot tub on each side, pool in the middle. There's loungers on the end, plenty of loungers up underneath on both sides, and up top there's tables, ping pong over there, pool over here. So like I say, a roof. So hey, this is a pretty good place. Look like at least for kids and adults. Stop over here and get you a shot. They actually got 2 ping pong tables. No, there's 3 ping pong tables, and there's 3 foosball tables, and you can sit up here and look out too. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little walking tour of the swimming pools on the MSC Seascape. Hey, if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos as soon as I quit talking. Till next time, happy cruising.